Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make New York-style pizza. To achieve that iconic New York style, you'll need a few key components. We'll start with a high-protein bread flour for a chewy, thin crust. A simple, uncooked tomato sauce provides fresh flavor, and low-moisture mozzarella ensures perfect melt without excess water. These elements are crucial for an authentic experience. Let's get started on the dough. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of bread flour with 10 grams of salt. Then, add 325 milliliters of warm water and 2 grams of active dry yeast. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, cold ferment the dough in the refrigerator for 24 to 72 hours for optimal flavor development. Now for the delicious toppings. For the sauce, use high-quality crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Season them simply with a pinch of salt, dried oregano, and a touch of garlic powder. Spread a thin, even layer of sauce over your stretched dough, making sure to leave about a 1-inch border for the crust. Then, evenly distribute about 200 grams of shredded low-moisture mozzarella cheese. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally 550 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone inside for at least 1 hour. Carefully transfer your prepared pizza onto the hot stone. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and bubbly with some slight charring. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil and fresh basil for that authentic touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.